friends, welcome to Mathstoon. In today's video, we will learn to factorize an expression x power 4 plus 4x square plus 3. For more update, please visit mathstoon.com or check the link given in the description box. Now let's start. This is our given expression. Now we will rewrite this expression as x power 4 plus 4x square plus 4 minus 1. Look that 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So we have done nothing extra here. Now we will rewrite this expression as follows. X power 4 is x square whole square. 4x square is 2 times x square times 2. 4 is 2 whole square and 1 is 1 whole square. Now look that the first three terms in this expression looks like a square plus 2ab plus b square, where a is x square and b is 2. So we can easily apply the formula of a plus b whole square in this expression. Applying that, we get this equal to x square plus 2 whole square and 1 square remains same. Now look that this expression is in the form of a square minus b square, where a is x square plus 2 and b is 1. So applying the formula of a square minus b square in this expression, we get x square plus 2 minus 1 times x square plus 2 plus 1. Now after simplification, we get x square plus 1 times x square plus 3. So finally look that the given expression can be factorized as the product of these two terms. Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Leave a comment in the comment box. Do not forget to subscribe this channel. Please hit the bell icon to get notification of new videos earlier.